Hello, kids! Welcome back to another fun and exciting episode of learning here in Study Session with Teacher Ave. Today, we will practice reading the basic sight words, focusing on three-letter words. But before that, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you! Kids, listen as I read each word and follow me afterwards. Let's begin.
All.
Your turn.
And.
Your turn.
Any.
Your turn.
Are.
Your turn.
Ask.
Your turn.
But.
Your turn.
Can.
Your turn.
Did.
Your turn.
For.
Now, your turn.
Get.
Your turn.
Got.
Your turn.
Had.
Your turn.
Has.
Your turn.
Her.
Your turn.
Him.
Your turn.
His.
Your turn.
It's.
Your turn.
Let.
Your turn.
May. Not.
Your turn.
Now.
Your turn.
One.
Your turn.
Our.
Your turn.
Out.
Your turn.
Saw.
Your turn.
Say.
Your turn.
See.
Your turn.
She.
Your turn.
The.
Your turn.
Two.
Your turn.
Was.
Your turn.
Yes.
Your turn.
Yet.
Your turn.
You.
Your turn. For your exercises, set A. Find all the boxes having the word the. I repeat, find all the boxes having the word the. I'll give you 15 seconds to do this. Time's up. Did you find all the boxes with the word the? How many boxes did you find? Very good. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 boxes with the word the. Now, for set B, listen as I say the word and find it. Let's begin. Number 1, find the word can. Number 2, find the word and. Number 3. Find the word are. Are. Number 4. Find the word you. You. And number 5. Find the word she. She. Great work, kids! Thank you for joining me today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our fun learning adventures. See you next time.